Hey there and welcome back to my channel. You may have seen the video I did a couple weeks ago where I took you inside the Goodwill and I did a thrift with me video. I did get 6 things from that trip, but I didn't reveal what I got, so I've had time to work them into my decor. And I also went again today and I want to show you the few things that I picked up in this haul. Okay, so we're in my kitchen now, and I did get the Hebblewhite & Co. memo board. It was brand new from Home Goods. It still had the wrapping on it, and it was originally $12.99. I have the chalkboard on one side and the memo board on the other. I did end up getting the vase, and it was $2.49. And if you saw my thrifted DIY with my daughter, I used some leftover greenery from some flowers that she had for a DIY, and I stuck it down in the top, and it looked like a pineapple. So this is the canvas artwork that I got, and it says, "Your journey is unfolding exactly as it should be." And I have it here in my office computer room area, so it's like right when you walk in the door. And I got this for $3.49. So I did end up getting the frame. They actually had 2 of them, and they were brand new in the box, and they were from Kohl's, and I got it for $3.99. It's kind of like a driftwood frame. I just found this free printable quote online. It says, "Let new adventures begin." And I just sized that for the frame, and I printed it out and I put it in there. And this shelf was also the $5 thrifted shelf that I got in one of my hauls a few months ago. And then this is the little wooden basket that I got recently in one of my hauls. I got it for $1. And I found a little plant to put down inside of it. I got this plant the other day at Aldi's, and I thought it was so cute, and it fit perfectly in that basket. So I also got these shoes in my last haul. I got these for my daughter. They were a size 5.5 in women's, but they fit her perfectly. And I loved how they were kind of a distressed leather type material, and they are Steve Madden. And these shoes were only $4.59, and they're really cute, and I like the neutral color, and they look good with my daughter's jeans, as you can see here, and she really does like them too. And lastly, I did get one of the Pyrex bowls because you can never go wrong with Pyrex. So the next item I want to show you is this really cute basket weave purse. I got this at Goodwill for $1.99. So I thought this would be a perfect bag for spring and summer. The only thing I didn't like about it is there's no pockets or anything to kind of secure your stuff. So I started looking where they have the wallets and organizers, and I actually found this insert to put inside the purse to kind of organize my stuff. So this is what I found, and this was also $1.99, and it has little handles here, so it was like meant to go down in something. So in the middle I just have my wallet, and I have my keys, and then it also has some zippered sides on both sides. So it has zippers here, and then it has compartments here. So I have gum in here, I have all my lip glosses, and I have a pocket here to put my phone and a brush and pretty much everything I need. And the sides snap too, so you can open it, and it has these little handles right here, so it's easy to pick up. So I got that for $1.99. And it fits down in here perfectly, so there you go. So the other thing I got today was this really cute throw pillow, and it's just gray, and it has a little pop of minty green and some dark gray over here and some white. And I got this for $1.99. And let's see, it has a tag on it. It is Lush Decor 100% cotton. And I got it for my spare bedroom as an extra throw pillow to kind of layer in here.